Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Moon Animator in Roblox Studio. Now, quick one guys, you have to make sure that you already installed the Moon Animator. If you haven't, just go ahead and tap on plugins. And then if you have your plan upgraded, you see Moon Animator obviously in. Now you can see guys, I'm having this question over here. Now, if you want to use the Moon Animator, you can just go ahead and adjust on the creation that you have. Now you can see guys, over here on the face, I'll come and make some more adjustments on the face. I'll just make and add a tick over here. Then after that, just come back over here to the left arm, tap on the plus, then change the texture. Come to the left leg, tap on the plus icon. Then I'll put a point light over here, like this. Okay. And then if I want, I can adjust or even save this project. Now basically that's how to use the Moon Animator on Roblox. Thanks for watching guys. We shall meet.